Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am sharing a 10-minute cleaning motivation. I hope this video gives you the motivation that you need to get something done today. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the one thing that gets me motivated to clean is making my bed. I just feel like once my bed is made, I can conquer the world. Does anybody else feel that way? So next I'm going to go ahead and switch the laundry, and of course I have a little helper. And then we might as well just start another load, so I'm going to do that as well. So I am not one to separate clothes, but I do like to wash my kids' clothes separate from each other and from our clothes. Let me know how you guys wash your kids' clothes. Do you separate them or do you just wash them if everyone else is? So I had recently cooked some chicken in the crock pot, and I just needed to divide this up and put it in the freezer so I can have it for future meals. This is also a really great way to quote-unquote meal prep. It makes things a lot easier whenever you're trying to fix dinner after work. I know that it's really not an issue for us right now, but in the future, definitely consider cooking your chicken and freezing it. Also, whenever I cook my chicken in the crock pot, I literally just season it with salt and pepper, and then I put just a little bit of chicken broth on the bottom, and I just let it cook until it's done. And then whenever you take these out of the freezer, you can just season them the way that you want to with, whatever meal that you need to. I just love doing this. It just helps me so much. So next I'm just going to move on to washing the dishes. I have been washing my dishes by hand because my dishwasher is broken, but I actually don't mind it. So how are you guys doing during this quarantine? I know that it's been, 5 weeks now that we've been doing this, and I feel like things are starting to either feel more normal or getting back to normal. I don't really think that we're ever going to go back to what it was before. I just kind of feel like the world is different. Not everybody is thinking about themselves as much anymore. I know that whenever I have to go to Walmart or something, people are stopping and smiling and asking, hey, how are you? Just like strangers being nice. I have never experienced that in my adulthood. So I think that this whole thing was meant to be. And I think that after it's all said and done, we are all going to have such a new aspect on life and a new perspective, and I think that it's really a good thing. So let me know how you guys are doing down below. Now I'm just going to do a really quick sweep of the living room. This room gets so disgusting from my kids and all their snacks and stuff, so I'm just going to sweep everything up really quick. Let me know if you guys enjoy using your vacuum to do this, or if you would rather get out the traditional broom. I do like using my broom whenever I'm doing a more deep clean. I just feel like it works better, but if I'm just doing something quick, I'll just grab my Dyson. So now I'm moving on to my daughter's room. Her room is right next to the bathroom, so I try to keep it pretty clean. It kind of drives me crazy if it's not clean. And she has been climbing out of her crib lately, so they, as in my son and my daughter, have been pushing up her toy box up to the crib and getting in there and jumping on the bed. And I cannot say anything more than just quarantine life, and we're just trying to, do what we can. So just like everything else in this video, I am just trying to tidy up and just wipe things down and just make everything feel more clean. So I'm just clearing off my bathroom counter, and then I'm going to wipe the counter off with some Lysol wipes and do a really quick scrub of the toilet. I'm just going to finish off this power hour with a load of laundry. I'm really trying to keep up on the laundry. I try to do about a load a day. So this really just helps me keep up with things and feel more put together.
Time. Can't you see I wanted it to be us now? Darling, if you knew how this would turn out, we let the stars shine bright. Yeah, I've been waiting too long for ya. I don't wanna love ya if you don't love me back.
So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.